Hey there, my name's Lee Meyer and I'm the founder of ListingToFreedom.com, where I teach people like you how to make money flipping thrift finds. In this video, I'll be going through these 2 boxes worth of goods that I picked up from the Goodwill Outlet yesterday. It was about 34 pounds and I paid right around $50 for it. So I'm going to go through each and every item so you can see what I got and see what I'm going to be listing this week. Alright, so the first item up is a little button-up plaid shirt, and it has this embroidery on it. It is from Maurice's and it is a plus size. It'll say here size 1. That is a plus size for Maurice's. So I grabbed that. This is a J. Crew shirt that I thought was really cute. It has little tassels. I got so much I can't remember. Lane Bryant, this is a 22-24. Lane Bryant can be a good brand as long as it's in style and those bigger sizes. This is another plus size top that I got, that it's the brand called Avenue, and this was a 26-28, and it's just a basic tank top. I found this Harley Davidson, it's a button-up shirt, this is the back of it. That is, some of it's embroidered, some of it's screen printed, and it's plain on the front. It was a size 2XL, so I would expect that will go for at least $20. A bra, I believe this is a, is it Olga? Let's see. Yes, it's a brand that's called Olga, and it's a department store brand, but it does do okay for me. This is a men's polo shirt. This was a bigger size. It's a 3XL. I got a couple of these McDonald's uniform shirts. These sell pretty well, especially because these are a size extra large. So I did pick up 2 of those. So I've got 2 of those here. This is another Harley Davidson. I love Harley Davidson. This is a sweatshirt, pretty plain, but it does have the logo on the front there embroidered. This is, I think this is another Maurice's top. Nope, CJ Banks. And the only reason I got it is because it is a plus size. It says X there, so I'm assuming that's a 1X. This is not normally a brand I get except for the plus sizes if it's a more recent style. Next, I've got a REI men's button-up shirt. It is a UPF, so if you see that, that's something that some buyers especially are looking for. They want to see that sun protection. So this is a Nike women's, I think it's a pullover hoodie. Nothing too special about that. All right, next up, oh, this is a good one. This is probably my best find for the day. And this is a brand that's called Nakatano. Show it to you. You've probably seen these sweatshirts around. They have these super chunky rope drawstrings. They have leather patches on them. It'll say Nakatano again here at the bottom on a leather patch. I've come across these multiple times, and these sell for the $35 to $50 range depending on the condition. I would expect this one would go towards the higher end just because it was a triple XL, which I have not seen before. The ones I've sold before have been a medium, so I'm guessing this is going to do really well. I got one LuLaRoe item, and this was a cardigan new with tags. It's lace. There's no crazy prints on it. So if you find something that's solid, there is a chance that it could still do okay. All right, this is another brand that was, well, not a brand that was new to me, but the tag that was new to me. This is from Free People. It'll say FP Beach. That is a Free People item. And then this is what it looks like. So it's just like a little dress and really cute. All right, this is a women's Lucky brand top. Lucky is one of my favorite brands for women's shirts to come across. All right, this is another Free People item, and it is just the regular Free People tag, little peplum hem shirt. And this is one it was an accidental purchase. It was in my cart. I checked out with it, but we'll see how it does. I believe this is a men's t-shirt that's a Vineyard Vines. It's cute, but I wish it were women's because it was a little big. All right, next box. These are, I believe this is a brand that's called, I'm going to show, it has these words up here, but this is the actual brand, is DeHuey. I might be totally butchering that, but they do make swimwear, men's swim trunks. They have done well for me in the past, so we'll see what we get for that, but I would expect $15 to $20 range. The ones I had sold before were a little bit nicer. I think those went for around $25. These are American Eagle jeans. I believe these were, yes, these are men's. If you've watched any of my videos before, the men's American Eagle are one of my favorite. These are Wrangler. They're kind of a vintagey polyester pant, and that's what the tag looks like on those. Came across a couple scrub tops that I was really excited about, and it's actually coming up. It's the right season for Halloween, and they're big, which I love. They're cute. This was a 3X, and then I also found a Halloween Winnie the Pooh. Super cute, so that should do really well. This one, probably I would guess around $20 for that. One more scrub top. This is another bigger size, a 2X, and it was a Dr. Seuss, one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. Pair of silver jeans. Be careful on the style of these. This one does okay. There was another pair there that the comps on it did not look great, so I did pass those by. These are, Columbia men's hiking pants that are belted. Oh, these are cute. These are a vintage pair of short alls. Am I saying it right? Overall shorts. Really cute. They do have a little bit of bleaching down here at the bottom, but those still should do okay. It is a bigger size. I don't know if I saw the size in here, but I'm guessing it's an extra large or possibly a 2X. Grabbed this. You remember, if you're older, you might remember these from like the 90s, these homemade vests. I did get a handful of these a few months ago, and they all sold. There's people out here looking for these. This is what the back looks like. This is a garden theme, so it's going to be a very particular person that's looking for these, and it does have like some cute little buttons sewn on it, so we'll see what I get for that, but definitely one of a kind item. All right, this is a vintage jean skirt that I thought was really cute with this embroidery at the waist. These are O'Neill men's swim trunks. A pair of women's Brooks running shorts. What were these? Okay, this is a brand that's called Carrots, and it is a equestrian brand, and these are for riding horses. Joppers is another word for them. These are kind of just a basic legging. The joppers will have a little bit more padding in the seat. This has no padding on it. If you find the true pants that have the padding on them in the seat, some of them have it between the legs. Those can go for around $50 for this brand called Carrots. This pair, they're just kind of leggings. I would expect that these will probably sell for around 20. These are some cargo shorts, and they're by the brand Life is Good. So you've probably, heard of Life is Good, but for the cute t-shirts with the cute sayings. Did not know that they made other items. So they do make other things. There were not very many of these listed. I'm not sure what I'll get for these because the prices were kind of all over the board. There were some really low, some really high. I did see it had one stain on it, but I'm gonna see what I can get for those, but I'm expecting $15 to $20 for those. This is a women's dress, denim, longer. I don't remember what brand this was. Oh, some totally random brand. I just bought it for the style. This is a Sears girls vintage dress, super cute. And this is what the tag looks like on it. All right, men's Nike Pro Combat leggings, I guess you call them, athletic leggings. I found a pair of these vintage 90 men's track pants from Adidas. You can tell because the material is a little bit different. Also, based off of the emblem, this is embroidered. I know a lot of their newer things are not embroidered. So that is a vintage 90s item. These are some Lucky men's jeans. This is another good seller for me. Pull-on, elastic pull-on pants. These are from the brand Cut from the Cloth. And I'm gonna save you my best find for last. Women's American Eagle jeans. These were the highest rise jegging. Another pair of board shorts for men. Looks like these are Quicksilver brand. Vintage Lee women's shorts. Super cute, high rise. Those should sell well. And then vintage 90s men's pants. And then I've got my best item for you. So these are just the carpenter style. I'm not sure what I'll get for those. We will see, but I would expect probably $20 to $30 range for those. All right, so this is one of the best items that I got yesterday during my sourcing trip, and this is a vest. It looks pretty basic, but it is the brand called Cool. I think that's another one I'm saying right. I don't know how to say all these brands. I don't know brands. You don't have to know brands. If you want to start reselling clothes, you'll figure it out. So that's what this brand is. I'm pretty sure, at least what my friends tell me, is you say it cool. And so I know it's a men's because it has this shield symbol. The women's will have a more heart-shaped symbol with the mountain in the middle. So that's what that is. I would expect, I don't know, $35 to $50 for this vest. All of the cool brand items sell super well. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.